Okay, the main security part is the conditional access, right? Now, what is conditional access? It's basically a tool, basically, right? In Microsoft Entra ID that allows or denies access to resource based on identity signals. Now, let's take an example, right? You can take an example of geolocation, right? Now, let's say if you are from United States, right? And you want to, your company is only working under United States and it is not a MNC. So what you can do, you can create a custom policy, create a conditional access where you can define the access should be happen from your country and should be blocked from other countries, right? So in this case, only USA peoples will be able to access. Okay. So this is one of the conditional access you can do. Second conditional access, what you can do, you can enforce the MFA. And if there is some VIP user who don't want some MFA, so you can exclude in that conditional access. Okay. So that's why we use conditional access. Now the use cases you can see here, it require MFA, approved client application, managed devices, block untrusted access. For these things we require the conditional access. Okay. Signal decision and enforcement. Now let's it's a practical time, so let me show you some of the demo here. I will directly go on the conditional access, but you can see here Microsoft Entra ID, Entra conditional access. Now I'm going to click on it. It might happen that it is not activated for me because it's my personal one. Yeah, it is not activated because I haven't activated it yet. This is my personal one, but as an organization it is going to allowed for you, so you can create your policy from here. You can do whatever you want from this conditional access policy basically.